In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use key attacks in Dragon Block C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Key attacks are ranged attacks that you will be able to get after you spend specific amounts of training points to afford them. You will be able to use the key attacks with a specific combination of buttons, including the right click. There are going to be 4 versions of the key attack system that the mod has progressed through, and depending on which version you have, you will be able to use them in different ways. But the general idea is that you will be using the second function button, so I recommend going over to the settings and accessing the controls so you can see what this button is bound to. Once you find second function, change it to a comfortable button. So for example, J, U, whatever you prefer. And to actually use the ranged attack, you will have to press the right mouse button, so right click plus the second function. So in this example, it would be right click plus U. Upon pressing both of these buttons together, you will be able to charge the key attack and you can use it by releasing them. So right click plus whatever the second function button is set to will charge it. You will see the bar over here and you can release it whenever you wish. The longer you charge it for, the stronger it is going to be. This is how it looks like in first person, so it will cover the middle of your screen and you will be able to release these attacks. So you will be able to level these key attacks up and gain stat points. They will be spent to have more cooldown, power, speed, and so on. And you can even get specific key attacks that are continuous or specific attacks that you shoot only a couple of times. They are going to be ranged and there's a lot to explore. So go over to the menu, check your skills, and spend your TP to get them. But if all you wanted to know was how to use them, you have to press the right click plus the second function button that is set up when you go over to the settings on the controls page. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Key Attacks Dragon Block C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.